on how to cancel a Temu order and get your money back. How to cancel a Temu order and get a refund. Step by step. Intro. Did you place an order on Temu by mistake or change your mind? Don't worry, I'll show you how to cancel your order and get your money back. Step 1. Open the Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your orders. Tap on the U icon at the bottom right, then select your orders to see all your purchases. Step 3. Select the order. Choose the order you want to cancel. Remember, cancellation is only possible if the order hasn't been shipped yet. Step 4. Cancel the order. Scroll down and tap on Cancel Order. Select a reason for cancellation, then confirm. Step 5. Refund process. If you already paid, Temu will automatically process your refund. The money will be returned to your original payment method, usually within 5 to 10 business days, depending on your bank or provider. Outro. And that's it. That's how you cancel an order on Temu and get your money back. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.